you guys want to learn how to make thumbnails like that, make sure you guys watch the whole video. So yeah, let's get started. So first, you guys are gonna need two applications, and those are PS Touch and Pixel Lab for the text. So to install Pixel Lab, just go to your Play Store, Google Play Store, if I can find mine. And you're just gonna wanna search Pixel Lab in the search bar. Pixel Lab, and download this. Once you have downloaded that, you can open the link in the description. So you guys can download Adobe Photoshop Touch. Just wanna scroll down until you see download APK, then you want to click the download APK button, and you're gonna have to wait at least 5 seconds and a pop-up is gonna show up. Just click OK, and don't worry guys, this is not a virus, and I use this all the time to make my thumbnails. After it's installed, just click open. Then for you guys, it's gonna say install, so you guys are gonna have to click install down here. But since I already have it installed, I will click cancel. Now once you have those two applications installed, you're gonna have to install the file which contains stuff I use for my thumbnails, like the borders, the emojis, and those stuff. So first, you guys are gonna have to open PS Touch, and you're gonna wanna make your background. Just wanna click the plus button and make sure the width and height is at 1920 by 1080p. Just click OK, and you wanna click this image button in the top left. Then you want to find your downloads folder, or where you keep your pictures. Downloads, and I will use this. Then if it's too small, you guys can resize it by clicking the corners and dragging it like so. Just click the check mark and we're good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go to the effects tab, then add Gaussian blur. I'm gonna set the strength to around 20.5. Then I'm gonna go to the button to the left of the effects tab, adjustments, and click black and white. Now I'm gonna add a gradient by clicking the button next to the effects tab as well, and click gradient. I'm gonna go to the color palette button here, set the first circle to white, oh my goodness, white, and then set the opacity to 0, and set this other circle to I guess purple, or yep, pinkish color, because why not. And I'm gonna add another image by clicking the plus button in the bottom right and click photo layer, and I will add a border from my thumbnail pack, if I can find it. Borders, I'm gonna add this one, border 5. Click check, and I'm gonna go to effects, add a glow, set the color to black, and the blur to around 30, 31, 30, okay, exactly 30. And once I have my background, I will go to Pixel Lab and make my text. So I'm gonna go to the letter A down at the bottom right. Click.
top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo.
Okay, then I'm gonna go on relative position and center it by clicking this and this. Click check. I will adjust the font. I'm gonna use Obelix Pro CYR, and I will center it once again. The font will be in the pack as well. The bold font, Burbank, Minecraft font, and the Obelix font will be in the pack. Now I'm gonna change the
I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections.
And you guys can edit this however you want. This is how I usually do it. So stroke and the line spacing, I will reduce that a bit, -10. And I think I'm good with that. So now I'm gonna go to this tab with the two squares overlapping each other, and I'm gonna click transparent. After that, I'm gonna go in the top right, I guess, top over here, and save as image. Make sure the format is a PNG and click save to gallery. Once the image is saved, just close Pixel tab and go back to your PS Touch. And you're gonna add another photo, just like how we added the border. But now we're gonna add the text in from the Pixel Lab folder and add the text. Adjust it, make this bigger and even bigger. I'm gonna put this on the top right, and I'm gonna rotate it a bit like that. Yep. Then click check, and I think I'm gonna add an emoji which I got downloads, and I'm gonna have this, and it's too big, so I'm gonna make it smaller. That small, I'm good with that, and I think I'm gonna rotate it a bit as well, like that. And I'm gonna add a glow to the text, make that black. Blur is 30, also in the emoji layer 30. Actually, I'm gonna reduce it to around 20. There we go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is our final product, and I'm gonna click save. And as you guys can see here, I did this a while ago. I did some practice. So to save it, you're gonna have to click the button with an arrow and click save to gallery. Make sure this is at PNG and click your thumbnail. Now click OK. Just wait and it's gonna go. Now it should be in your gallery. I will check right now. There we are, it's right here. So that's that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if this video helped you out, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. So yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.